How's it going, everyone? Today's update is on the Javelin. This past month has been fantastic for this bike. Our launch goal was to be doing between 2 to 3 bikes per week, and we have surpassed that. Standing in the facility right now, we have 4 bikes on test stand. There are 5 getting welded up down the road, and there are many more to come. As you've seen since launch, we've done a few things to really up the quality of this bike, and we think it's looking amazing. Besides the new 17-inch wheel on the back or the new update to the seat, there's one big update that we're talking about today, and that is a pedal kit. Yes, the number one thing that keeps on getting requested to Spark every day is a pedal kit. And while we've done hundreds of hours into this topic and can tell you that pedals don't actually make it any more or less legal than it with pegs, we do have pedals now. Let's talk about how it works. Under the bike, there are 4 bolts. You unscrew those bolts and remove the foot peg assembly. The pedal kit simply bolts right into that same exact location and has 2 pedals for you to spin. There is no chain to the back wheel. While I know that seems ridiculous, it's just not possible. And speaking to many of you, this is all you want, and so we are happy to build this for you. We have looked into these laws, and there is nothing that states that the pedal system actually has to function as a pedal bike. You will soon see a pedal option on the Build a Javelin page and on the accessory page. And we will be reaching out to everybody that has current Javelins in production to see if they would like this option. So that's the pedal kit, guys. I hope you like it. And tomorrow, we're gonna talk about some new products.